I'm going to be demonstrating how to use Google Forms for a quiz and then how to use the add-on Flubaroo to grade that quiz. I've created a Google form here, and in my Google form I have a couple of identifying features such as name and period, and then I have my multiple choice questions. You can also use short answer questions or fill in the blank questions. After the students complete these assignments, they will go to a Google spreadsheet. Here are my students' responses on the quiz. You can see that I have their last name, username, and period. The last thing that I did was go ahead and take the quiz myself, and I entered my name as the name answer. Now I'm going to use the add-on Flubaroo to grade the quiz. I go to add-ons, and then I can install Flubaroo, and once it's installed, I do grade assignment. Flubaroo is going to ask me to identify who are students and what are things that need graded. You can also choose to not grade or to grade by hand. So you can skip it or grade by hand, and then later you can go back and add a grade. So if you have a short answer question, you can do grade by hand and then grade all the multiple choice questions here. I hit continue, and then I'm going to choose answer as the correct responses. So when I answered as answer, that's what Flubaroo is going to answer the questions using. Now Flubaroo is going to do its magic work and take all my students' submissions and grade them. This is in live time, I'm not fast forwarding. And my grading is complete. What Flubaroo does is create a new spreadsheet. So I have my original submissions for my students, and these are the submissions that are graded. It very nicely does yellow and white, which helps when you're trying to match up a student. It gives me their total points and their percentile, and then I can go back and look at the questions and what their answers were and what they got a point for or didn't get a point for. And that's how you use Flubaroo to grade a quiz that you have had your students complete in Google Forms.